Hello friends! Today we are again here at your service with an amazing video. You may face difficulty to organize your makeup products. Have you ever lost or forget your makeup? Say goodbye to all these issues and check out these cool and fancy makeup and cosmetics organizers. The links to buy them are also provided in the description. Readaeer Makeup Organizer. This LED makeup organizer can store your lipstick, foundation, blush, eyeshadow, base makeup, brush, white face, and other cosmetics. It can also be used to store jewelry, accoutrements for your person, cosmetics, souvenirs, etc. Keep your workspace tidy and free of clutter. Because this beauty organizer box has an LED mirror, you can apply flawless makeup even in areas with poor lighting. The mirror may be rotated vertically 360 degrees for the best viewing angle. To change the brightness, long press. To turn on the light, press the button once. To turn it off, press the button once more. Sooyee Makeup Organizer. This is a higher grade, more durable, eco-friendly. This is an absolutely new design that is called Swan Egg in perfect shape, looks more cute, lovely, beautiful. It has storage for lipsticks, primers, powders, blushes, bronzers, blushes, eyeshadows, and more. This storage container is compatible with most dressers, vanity desks, and counters and may be used to store jewelry, personal items, grooming equipment, keepsakes, and much more. You can flawlessly apply your makeup in dimly lit or dark environments with the help of this beauty organizer mirror with LED lights. The mirror has a 360-degree swivel that allows for vertical rotation for the best viewing angle. Miss Puff Makeup Organizer. This makeup organizer with a 360 degrees rotatable LED mirror for sitting or standing makeup. Comes with USB charging, makes it more easy. The skincare organizer be divided into 3 parts, each part can be used independently to increase storage space. Buying one can have vanity mirror, dimmer light, storage box, and phone holder at the same time. Space-saving and beautiful. It has divided spaces and drawers suitable for most specifications of cosmetics, such as lipstick, foundation, makeup, blush, eyeshadow, eyebrow pencil, mask, perfume, jewelry, and other cosmetics. Cosmetic Organizer Box. If there is darkness in your life and in your room, check this cosmetic organizer box with LED lights that are dimmable to your satisfaction, enhances your face clarity for proper makeup with an adjustable mirror for closer and more precise view both in the dark or daylight. The makeup case is made of waterproof synthetic leather finish and metal reinforced corners for quality to last a lifetime. The train case keeps your dresser clean and neatly. As a gift, it is stylish enough and will store many great memories. Makeup Train Case. From beginners to experts in cosmetics, this makeup organizer is perfect. Its ABS aluminum and metal reinforced corners are lightweight, durable, and have good wear resistance. The makeup case is a good protection for outdoor cosmetics. As it absorbs light at various angles, the color varies. The storage is adaptable to accommodate items of varied sizes, including jewelry, paintbrushes, toiletries, nail polish, and essential oils. Palettes and even travel-size bottles can fit in the roomy bottom space. For simple cleaning, the tray bottom and case bottom are covered in stain-proof plastic films. No chance of spills or scratches exists. If the trays are stained by your lipstick, simply wipe them with a damp cloth and they will be as good as new. Mini Cosmetic and Makeup Bag Organizer. There are organizers you'll use for one trip and ones you won't ever leave without. The Cosmo Accessory Organizer will quickly become an everyday essential at work, at school, everywhere. The raised outside lip will keep items from rolling away while the zippered storage pocket nestles small accessories. It fits everywhere and hangs easily, providing mess-free packing and easy travel. The lay-flat design protects items from touching foreign surfaces and features water-resistant polyester fabric that is easy to clean. A beautiful selection of colors and sizes. Guaranteed to be a novel gift for a wide range of occasions, including friends, family, men, women, bridesmaids, birthdays, holidays, and more. Thank you for watching Tech Ideas Factory. Subscribe to watch more interesting videos.